that another 2x plus 3 whole square y double dash minus of 2x plus 3 y dash minus 12y is equal to 6x. So first you need to write the given equation, the given differential equation or the given Legendre's. The given Legendre's linear equation. Legendre's linear equation is 2x plus 3 whole square into y double dash minus of 2x plus 3 into y dash minus 12y is equal to 6x. 6x. And first you need to write this one in operator form. That is nothing but 2x plus 3 whole square d square y minus of 2x plus 3 into dy minus 12y is equal to 6x. Let it be taken as 1. Okay. So first we need to convert linear differential equation with constant coefficients. For that we have to take assumption as put 2x plus 3 is equal to e power t. 2x plus 3 is equal to e power t. And then, so there it is, if you observe that x sum, so that is nothing but simply you can write x 2x is equal to e power t minus 3, and then x is equal to e power t minus 3 by 2. X is equal to this one. And now, so then by taking log on both sides, we'll get t is equal to log of 2x plus 3. T is equal to log of 2x plus 3. So that 2x plus 3 dy is equal. Here it is, if you observe that this is in the form of ax plus b, where a is nothing but 2. So for that simply we write 2 into theta y, where theta is nothing but d by dt and d is nothing but d by dx. And don't think as always we'll get 2 and 3. Okay, unfortunately what we are solving the problems, we are getting 2 and 3. Previous problem also we got 2 and 3, and here also 2 and 3. And it is not a fixed one. They can give any values in place of this. Okay. In some of the cases they may mention in x coefficient a is nothing but minus also. Okay. And now 2x plus 3 whole square d square y is equal. And this is simply we can write 2 square theta into theta minus 1 into y. Okay. And then you can substitute all these things in equation 1. So if you substitute in that, we'll get it as 4 into theta minus 1 into y and minus 2 theta y minus 12y is equal 6 into x sum. So x is nothing but e power t minus 3 by 2. And if you observe that in each and every term y is the common one, so take that one as common. So 4 theta into theta minus 1 minus 2 theta minus 12 into y is equal to, here it is 3 times it goes, then 3 into e power t minus 3, e power t minus 3. And if you simplify this one, what will get? 4 theta square minus 4 theta minus 2 theta plus minus 12 into y is equal to 3 into e power t minus 3. E power minus 3. It means simply what we got here, 4 theta square, and this is nothing but minus 6 theta and minus 12 into y is equal to 3 into e power t minus 3. So let it be taken as this is nothing but equation 2. So this is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now which is in the form of f of theta into y is equal to q of t. Now we need to find the complementary function and particular integral. So to find the complementary function, first we have to take the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is, here it is having f of m is equal to 0. That is nothing but 4m square minus 6m minus 12 is equal to 0. So if you want, you can take 2 as common one. So if you take 2 as common one, 2m square minus 3m minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is nothing but simply we can write it as this is a quadratic equation, and you can write minus b whole square is nothing but minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 2 into 2. That is nothing but m is equal to 9 plus or minus. This is simply will get 9 plus 48 by 4. So this is simply we can write 9 plus or minus. This is nothing but square root of 50 minus b. Sorry. So this is nothing but 3 minus b plus or minus. So b is here 3. So 3 plus or minus b square 9 minus 4a and c is minus 2 by 2a. So this is nothing but 57 by 4. So 57 by 4. So the roots are real and irrational, and it's, if you want you can write this is nothing but 3 by 4 plus or minus square root of 57 by 4, and this is in the form of alpha plus or minus root beta. Okay. Then simply 57 by 4 is nothing but you can write as 57 by 2. So that is nothing but simply we can write 3 by 4 plus or minus root 57 by 2. This is alpha and this is beta. Okay. So simply the complementary function is yc is equal to c1 cos e power alpha tm. That is nothing but 3t by 4 c1 cos h root 57 by 2 into t plus c2 sin h root 57 by 2 t. This is the roots are real and irrational. So if it is irrational roots, e power alpha t into c1 cos h root beta t plus c2 sin h root beta t. So this is the yc. And now we need to find yp. So yp is equal to, here it is 1 by f of theta and term 4 theta square minus 6 theta minus 12 into 3 into e power t minus 3. So this is now 3 in by, so you can write this one 4 theta square minus 6 theta minus 12 into e power t, and next minus 3 into 3 is nothing but 9, so 9 by, so this is 4 theta square minus 6 theta minus 12, and this is simply we can write e power 0, which is equal. Now if you substitute 1, so are you getting 0? No. So for that simply you can substitute 3 by 4 minus 6 minus 12 into e power t minus 9 by, here if you substitute 0 minus 12. So it means simply what we get, yp is equal to 3 by, so there it is 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 14 e power t minus 14 e power t, and next one minus into minus plus 9 by 12. So this is nothing but yp is equal minus 3 by 14 e power t, and this is 3 3s are and 3 4s are. Yeah. So this is yp. So therefore the complete solution or the general solution. Complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Then since 2x plus 3 is equal to e power t and t is equal to log of 2x plus 3. Now you need to substitute all those things in that. So therefore y is equal to e power 3 by 4m. So 3 by 4 into t. So this is e power 3 by 4t. So this is simply we can write e power t whole power 3 by 4, right? So that is nothing but simply we can write e power t is nothing but here it is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 whole power 3 by 4 into c1 cos h root 57 by 2 into Tm. T is nothing but log 2x plus 3 plus C2 sine h root 57 by 2 into log 2x plus 3. Okay, this is YC, we got it, plus YPM. So YP is minus 3 by 14 e power t. That is nothing but 2x minus 1, 2x plus 3 and plus 3 by 4, where C1 and C2 are arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. Solve. 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash 5 into 3x plus 2 y dash minus 3y is equal x square plus x plus 1. 3x plus 2 whole square y double dash plus 5 into 3x plus 2 y dash minus 3y is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So that is nothing but simply you can write this is a Legendre's linear equation. Okay. So first we can write this one in operator form. It means simply what we'll get 3x plus 2 whole square d square y plus 5 into 3x plus 2 dy minus 3y is equal x square plus x plus 1. And now for converting this one into linear differential equation with constant coefficients, simply you have to take assumption as 3x plus 2 is equal to e power t and 3x is equal to e power t minus 2 and x is equal to e power t minus 2 by 3. And next, then by taking log on both sides, we'll get it as t is equal to log of 3x plus 2. So that simply what we can take 3x plus 2 into dy is equal to, here the coefficient of a is nothing but 3m. So for that 3 theta y. And next 3x plus 2 whole square t square y is equal. So this is 3 square theta into theta minus 1 into y. You can substitute all these things in the equation 1. So then it is simply we'll get it as here it is having 9 into theta minus 1 into y and plus 5 on them. Don't forget about the constants if they included in the problem. 5 into 3 theta y minus 3y is equal to x square that is nothing but e power t minus 2 by 3 whole square plus x is nothing but e power t minus 2 by 3 plus 1. And now you have to simplify this one. So here it is y is the common one. If you multiply 9 theta instead of the terms, 9 theta square minus 9 theta plus 15 theta y minus 3y minus 3. So you can take y as common one in the entire. So this is equal to, here it is e power t minus 2 whole square by 9 plus e power t minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Okay. So if you take LCM, here it is simply, here it is first in left side we'll get it as 9 theta square plus here it is 15 theta minus 9 theta, that is nothing but 6 theta minus 3 into y is equal, here it is, you can take LCM. If you take LCM 1 by 9 into, and you can expand this one at a time, a square is nothing but e power 2t, b square is 4 and minus 4 e power plus Here 3 times it goes. So 3 into e power t, and this is 6 plus 9. So here 9 times. And here it is 3, we multiplied with 3. Then here it is what we got it. There is no change in that. 9 theta square plus 60 minus 3 into y is equal 1 by 9 into. So e power 2t and in these two. So here it is minus e power t. Next I'm coming to constants. 9 minus 6 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. This is now which is in the form of f of theta into y is equal to q of t. First, you need to find the complementary function, right? To find the complementary function, we have to take auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0, 9m square plus 6m plus 6m minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 3 is the common one. If you take that one as common, 3m square plus 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. And you find the roots, m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. A is nothing but 3 and c is nothing but minus by 2a. So that is nothing but simply we'll get it as minus 2 plus or minus. This is nothing but. So 16 by 6. Right? This is 12 plus 12 plus 4, 16. So m is equal. So minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 is nothing but 4m by 6. So that is simply we can write minus 2 plus 4 by 6 and minus 2 minus 4 by 6. So we got the roots are here 2 by 6 and this is minus 6 by 6. So the roots are real and distinct. So this is minus 1 and this is 1 by. The complementary function is c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t by. Okay. Now we need to find particular integral. To find yp, to find particular integral yp. So yp is equal to 1 by, so f of theta is nothing but 9 theta square plus 6 theta minus 3 into, here it is having already 1 by 9 into e power 2t minus e power t plus 7. So that one we can write yp is equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 theta square minus 6 theta plus 3. Right? 9 theta square minus 60 plus 9 theta square plus 6 theta minus 3m plus 6 theta minus plus 6 theta minus 3. And next coming to yp, what we got it there, e power 2t e power 2t e power minus t plus 7. This is, so this is equal 1 by 9 into, so first one is circum 1 by 9 theta square plus 6 theta minus 3 into e power 2t minus 1 by 9 theta square plus 6 theta minus 3 into e power t plus 1 by 9 theta square minus plus 6 theta minus 3 into 7m. So that is nothing but simply we can write e power 0. So 1 by 9 into, substitute directly here in place of, this is in place of theta as 2. 9 into 2 square plus 6 into 2 minus 3 into e power 2t minus 1 by, here it is 1. So 9 plus 6 minus 3 into e power 2. And here it is having 0. So if you substitute 0, we'll get it as minus 3. Then here it is having 1 by 9 into. So this is 36 plus 12 minus 3 into e power 2t minus 1 by. This is nothing but 12 e power t and minus 7 by. So that is 1 by 9 into, this is 45 9 plus 36, 45 e power 2t minus 1 by 12 e power t minus 7 by. So therefore, the general solution or complete solution. The general solution is y is equal to yc plus y. But since t is equal to log of 3x plus 2, right? 3x plus 2, right? 3x plus 2 and e power t is equal, e power t is equal to 3x plus 2. Now we have to substitute that. Y is equal to c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power, what we got it there, complementary function t by 3. T by 3 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 45 e power 2t minus 1 by 12 into e power t minus 7. Now you can substitute all these things. So y is equal c1 e power t whole power minus 1, that is 3x plus 2 whole power minus 1 plus c2 3x plus 2 whole power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 45 e power 2t, that is 3x plus 2 whole square minus 1 by 12 into 3x plus 2 minus 7 by, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. Okay, so this is all. So if you see that one model, same pattern, there is no change, that maximum we are getting as type 1, okay, or type 2. So very rarely you get type 3 and type 4, type 5. Okay, so this is the one.